Well, hello there everyone, it's Kevin back here with a brand new video. And in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna go out and source at Ross, Marshalls, and Burlington. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, comment what you think about the finds down below, and let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm just here at Ross on opening, looking at some shoes. These Under Armours I did not end up copying. These boots didn't cop either. Was pretty weak here today, but you know, I'm just looking through. These boots kind of caught my eye, but once again, I did not cop. Ain't got much here. They really did not have much here today. Nothing too interesting here. These polo boots, a little pricey. I did not look them up, but I knew the margins weren't there, so I did not end up getting them. And as you guys can see, you know, a lot of Under Armour here. These low-end cleats. We're looking for high-end cleats here, not those. And yeah, those Under Armours, you know, they may have some resale value, but you know, probably not worth it for me. As well as those Nikes those are at the outlet, and those Adidas. You know, they look kind of good. Spotted these Nike SB Janowskis. They look pretty good. They were size 8, I believe. They were either 35 or 40 bucks. I had to look those up. Looking over here at the kids section, looking kind of dry, and then spot these bad boys. Some Mercurial Elites, all black, $30. The bad thing about them is that, and I actually found two. See, there's a second one. Bad thing about that, they were very small sizes, like 5. And then, you know, I ended up going to the women's section. I mean, nothing at the women's section. So we're gonna look these Janowskis up. Ended up looking them up, and I did not get them. Then we're gonna head over to Marshalls here. Katie Trish 90 retail. 50 at Marshalls. No thanks. Looking at these dress shoes and Levi sneakers. You know, nothing worth copying at Marshalls either. Got these North Faces. Steep price of 50 bucks. And here I'm just looking, you know, I'm just looking through the shoes because as well as these Under Armour, 50 bucks. No thanks, man, too much. But you know, at Marshalls, you gotta look through the shoes. Sometimes people put them somewhere where they're not supposed to be. You know, they're pretty much mismatched. These Tress runs look pretty nice. You know, nice colorway. $25, not a bad price either. But I believe there's no resale on them either. But yeah, like I was saying, you gotta look through the shoes at Marshalls because sometimes they're misplaced. And you know, a lot of the times they're all over the place. So yeah, looking at these Under Armour, I ended up copying these, 16 bucks. Yo, Marshall's smoking crack, man. What is this?
Oh, you're kidding me!
Come on, Marshall. Burlington. Nope. Come on, Burlington. Give me something. Some Metcons. I don't think I want to look those up. What is this? You know, here at Burlington, it's kind of dry as well. My stores sometimes, you know, can be a hit or miss. $3. Nope. Burlington been kind of weak. Okay. I'm gonna have to look these up. Looked those up last time, they weren't worth anything. Got the white versions of these Reeboks. Some Fila boots, $34.99. At this Burlington, I found some LeBrons. Pretty rare. They came out in 2018. I sold them for $235. So, you know, sometimes there's stuff and sometimes there isn't. Size 15, $54.99. Vapor Elite highs, I believe. I'm not sure. Look these up real quick. You know, last time this Ross kind of disappointed us, so let's see if we can make up for it. And this Marshalls right here, you know, it's always been good to me. Well, not always, but most of the time. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And yeah. Got these Metcons, $39. $50. Jesus. Pattern night joggers, $45. Got some Metcons, $40. Human size, we look these up. Some trash runs, I saw these at Marshalls. $35. Sold those at Marshalls for like 20 or 25. That's crazy. Under Armour, 36. What are these? I don't know, these look kind of worn. Under Armour basketball, I believe, 30. Some Pumas, some Filas. Adidas top 10. $43. I mean, we'll look it up. Hold on, what size is that? Never mind. We'll probably pick these up, but nah. Some Pure Boost HD. The Echoes. No, not the cleats we want. That's it for the men's. These Converse everybody has been seeing. Got the women's section. These Converse. 27. Pretty dirty. I mean, I don't know if I want to look those up or not. Probably not. Some big boots. What is this? Probably some Cali Pumas. Nah. Got another one of those. What kind of Nikes are these? What the hell? Returns. I don't know about these Timberlands though. Kind of ugly. What kind of Nikes are these, boy? Metcon. 11.5. 40. We can give these a look up. I hope the other Ross has better stuff. And the Marshalls as well. I still don't know if these are worth picking up, but I gotta look them up. So, not much here, guys. These Metcons have some pretty good comps. You got the 11.5s. 120. I mean, a whole bunch have sold for 100 and up, but I'm not sure if people are lowballing or not. 170. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of flooded. See how many people have 11.5. A lot of people, so yeah, not the move. These other Metcons are, I think, the same. 94. I mean, they're still kind of flooded. They have a whole bunch of 10.5 listings, so I don't think I'm gonna go for that today. Now we're at Marshalls. Let's see what we can find. Got all these Under Armour right here. I should pull the trigger on some of these. Because there's some listed. Size 10, 8.5. I might get the ones that aren't listed. Oh dang, this one has every size except for 12. So let's see if there's any comps. No comps. We'll see. Oh. Let's see if these are marked down. 70. Some Adidas Easy Volt. $35. More Under Armour. Nike Quest. No price on these. You got the Nike Sock Racer for $40, I believe. Bought a pair of these last time. Everything seems to be the same at this Marshalls. Nothing new. Nope. I think the only good thing are those Under Armours. Well, these might be of some value as well. I might have to go in on these though. Like 5 pairs, see how they do. Can't believe they have these here. These are women's. Look at that price. I mean, it has the box. But for 70, like, I don't know. Yo. What? Alright, you guys, we just picked up we just picked up 6 pairs of shoes from Marshalls. 4 of them were $20, one of them was $16, and the other one was $50, which were some Air Force ones. The snakeskin foam posit or something like that. But yeah, it was $50. I'm gonna hold on to those. And yeah, this Ross, this Marshall was pretty crazy, and this Ross as well with the clothing. I got a $225 retail Under Armour jacket for $20 because it didn't have a tag on it. I was like, it doesn't have a tag. I couldn't find any of the same one. She was like, oh, this stuff usually goes around $20. Is that okay? I'm like, yes, it's great. I'll take it. And I found some Under Armour vest and some other some crew neck Adidas, retail for $80, got them for $16. So yeah, hopefully to double up on a lot of this stuff. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Right now we're gonna head to Burlington and see how that goes. Burlington with the regular stuff, Reeboks, Filas. I'm gonna look these up real quick. I don't know what they are, whatever the hell this is. I have to look these up too. These don't look bad. Why not? Nah, a little dirty. Don't want to clean that up. Same cleats, same stuff. That's what I got right now. $25 free ones. Flooded. Sticky boots, $30. Fila boots, $35. The hell? Definitely gotta look these up as well. How much are they? 60. Holy shit. We can look these up as well. They look pretty good. Human size 14, $50. So my hand's looking right now. Fila, Nike, Huarache, baseball cleats, something like that. Fila, K-Swiss, Supra, Levi. Regular schmegular stuff. USPA boots. Not much. No thanks, bro. Any Nike golf hats here? Seeing a lot of people pick up some Nike golf hats. But doesn't look like there's any here. Then these huge speakers and some balls. So yeah, let's go look up those shoes. Hold up. Retail 65. We can look these up as well. Well, you guys, at Burlington had no shoes or anything. I didn't check the clothes, but right now that's the sourcing for today, and I believe this is the last sourcing, and I'm gonna release my video. But yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram, linked below, or comment down in the comment section below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that nice stuff. And yeah, thanks guys.